Okay, here we are. We're making the video of how to open the tub. Come over here, you're looking, everything's all set up there, down there. Take the remote control, we pull it out there, push the button, and you notice that brings it down, and then you push the button to bring it up. We're going to make sure that you go only up to the top, that far. You got to stop it right there. There'll be a little flag thing on there that you'll be able to notice to stop. And you can see the tub's wide open and ready to go. It's important that you don't hang on any of the features of the tub, because it's not designed for anything but that. And if it's very, very, very windy, it'd be a good idea not to be out in the tub. However, it's all set to go. And we're going to show you how to go down next. We're bringing the tub back down. When it gets to that spot, you just leave it right there. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video, and only let the person who's rented the place operate the winch. Not everybody, just the person who's rented the place. Alright, have a great day. Thanks for looking onto the video at forrentus.org, 616-264-3180, or find us at the number 4 and then rentus.org.